today my birthday is 21. And then my birthday is my 31. Today is my birthday. But later is my subscribe the channel and like your mom. Maybe like your mom. And now we subscribe my channel. You got it now. Wow. My question is candy or vegetable?
Vegetable, of course. Angela, what you will eat? Junk food or vegetable?
Egg and vegetable.
Huh?
Egg and vegetable.
What you will eat? Ice cream or vegetable?
Ice cream and vegetable.
Well, the question only, what you will eat? Ice cream or vegetable? You need to select one only.
Ice cream.
Ay! Vegetable is good. Vegetable is more vitamin. Mango or lollipop?
Mango.
Later ha, I will buy mango. Okay. Tita, we will buy mango later. One more question. Banana? Angela? Banana or ice cream?
Banana.
Oh, later we will buy banana, okay? We will buy banana.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
Come here. Here. Angela, I have a question, Angela.
What?
I have banana and chips. What do you want?
Banana.
Wow, that's good. Which one you like? Ice cream or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Wow. Later you will eat vegetable. What you will like?
Vegetable.
Lollipop or fruits?
Fruit.
Oh, later.
No.
Angela, come on. One more question. What you will like? Junk foods or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Tita, I will buy vegetable later. Yeah, I will not give you ice cream, lollipop, and any other junk food. Angela, come here.
Only drama, Tito, try this one. Only acting. Come here.
Okay.
Tito.
Yes.
What you want? Orange or vegetable?
I want both. Because this
No,
is
there's only one.
vegetable.
Yeah,
But the orange also is good.
Orange is good. Well, I have orange.
Orange
there.
is
Orange slice. Yeah.
good in
Orange.
vitamin C. Okay.
Okay, next. What you want? Smell flower or not?
I want to smell flower.
Okay, turn here.
This is artificial.
Okay, next.
Next.
What you want? TV or thumb up?
What's that?
TV or thumb up?
Stomach. What's stomach?
Thumb up the TV and open the TV.
I want the TV because if I have a TV, I can watch the thumb up.
Okay, next question. Okay. What you want? Light or thumb up?
I want light.
Light.
Yeah.
Okay, next question. Okay. Next question. You want to cook or not?
I want to cook.
Cook?
Yeah.
Oh, cook na.
What else?
Okay, next question. You want a baby book or grown up?
I want baby girl.
Okay, that's not baby. Okay, wait. You say wait.
Baby or grown up?
Ay, sure.
Malaki ka na o maliit?
What your question?
Your question again. Tito, try not understand.
Question. Do you want to watch cell phone or not?
I want cell phone
Cell phone?
because I am adult already. But baby not allowed cell phone.
But do you like so much? So much?
So
much you
I
will
will not use cell phone every time. so my eyes will not damage.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Next question. You want to eat or full?
I want to eat.
Eat?
Hey, yeah.
Okay, eat na.
Wait, which the food? Which one's the food?
Here's the coke, yeah. Okay, next question. You want to sing or not?
I want to sing.
Okay, sing.
Yeah. Bahay kubo kahit munti alaman doon ay sari-sari.
Okay, next question. You love Peter Bubbles or you married Peter Bubbles love?
What? What?
You love or
What's
married
that?
Peter Bubbles what?
Repeat the question.
Okay. Question. You know love Peter Bubbles and married Peter Bubbles love.
Love Tita Bubbles marriage. I will marry Tita Bubbles love.
Okay, married. Okay, next question.
Galing nito mag-interview eh.
Next question.
Yeah, what's this question?
Next question.
This is 4 years old only.
You-
How old are you?
4.
Sure. What is your
Yeah.
name? What is your name? I am the interviewer now. Angela,
1.
what is your full name?
My name is Angela Chancolada.
Where did you live, Angela?
I live 841.
Wow, it's done 41. So, how old are you?
4.
What is the name of your mommy and daddy?
Mommy Jenny, Daddy Jen.
Daddy, your daddy Glenn is handsome or pangit?
Sansam.
Your mommy is beautiful or
You beautiful.
you're beautiful, your mommy or not beautiful? Your mommy is
Pretty?
not beautiful or pangit?
Beautiful.
What? What?
Beautiful.
No, I have a question. You need to select one answer. Your mommy is
Beautiful.
no, I still not it. Your mommy is not beautiful or pangit?
Beautiful.
No, I have two selection only. Beautiful. Angela, what you will eat? What is your favorite food?
My favorite is apple.
Wow, later we will buy apple.
There's apple.
Okay.
I want to buy apple. I want to eat it all.
Okay. You want to go to Philippines or you want to stay here in the Pluto?
I want to stay to Eastern.
Yes, it's done talaga. So, what do you want? You want to play or you want to sleep?
Play.
Oh, say bye-bye to our viewers. So, see you next vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss. I love you.
I love you. Bye-bye.
Tell subscribe all. Tell follow and subscribe.
Follow and subscribe.
Please.
Please.
I love you so much.
I love you, son.
Mama.
Mama.
Tell I promise I will eat vegetable always.
Promise I want it bevel orange.
Talaga. You will not eat junk food, ha?
Apple.
Bye-bye na.
Okay.